Good day everyone, I'm Teacher Justin and welcome to Math with Teacher Justin. On today's topic, we're going to talk about Rational Root Theorem. What is Rational Root Theorem? Rational Root Theorem is a method that we can use in order for us to determine the possible zeros of a polynomial function. So let's have an example. For example, we're asked to determine the possible zeros of the polynomial function f of x is equal to 4x raised to 4 minus 37x squared plus 9. So, in order for us to determine the possible zeros, our first step is for us to find the value of our p and q. So, for the value of our p, it is the constant term of our polynomial function. In this case, it is positive 9. Then, let's identify the value of our q. So, the value of q is going to be the numerical coefficient of our leading term. In this case, it is 4. After finding the p and q, let's find the factors of p and q. So, the factors of 9 are positive negative 1, positive negative 3, and positive negative 9. Okay, next, let's identify the factors of 4. The factors of 4 are positive negative 1, positive negative 2, and positive negative 4. Alright. Then let's identify our p over q. So we will divide our factors of p by the factors of q. So our p over q will be equal to, so let's divide. 1 divided by 1 is positive negative 1. 3 divided by 1 is positive negative 3. 9 divided by 1 is positive negative 9. Next, let's divide 1 by 2. So 1 divided by 2 is 1/2. So positive negative 1/2. Next is 3 divided by 2 is positive negative 3 over 2. Then 9 divided by 2 is positive negative 9 over 2. Okay, next, let's divide our factors of p by 4. So 1 divided by 4 is positive negative 1 over 4. Let's divide 3 and 4. 3 divided by 4 is positive negative 3 over 4. And let's divide 9 and 4. That will give us positive negative 9 over 4. So that's it. Our possible zeros of this polynomial functions are the following. We have positive negative 1, positive negative 3, positive negative 9, positive negative 1/2, positive negative 3 over 2, positive negative 9 over 2, positive negative 1/4, positive negative 3 over 4, and positive negative 9 over 4. Alright, ta-da! And that is it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have comments, questions, recommendations, suggestions for my next video, please leave them in our comment section below. Share this video and subscribe. And for more videos like this, you can go to my channel, Teacher Justin. And that is it for today. Again, I'm Teacher Justin. Goodbye, God bless, and stay safe. See you on my next video. Peace.